Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and immediately changing zoom and view options. Press Ctrl++ or Ctrl+- to adjust message zoom so you can read now. This affects only the reading pane. Next, go to the View ribbon and pick Layout to move the reading pane or increase message preview. Because column widths and fonts control density, open View Settings, choose Other Settings, and set column font so headers and list items scale to your preference. Once done with basic zoom, optimize the reading pane and fonts to permanently enlarge view elements. Move the reading pane to right for a wider vertical list or to bottom if you prefer taller messages. This changes how much space messages occupy. Then open File Options, Mail Stationery, and Fonts to raise message and new mail font sizes. This ensures consistency across emails. Make sure to change list density. Under View Change, View Manage Views, modify to increase row spacing and column sizes. Finish by scaling the whole Outlook UI and applying final tweaks so everything stays readable. If text still looks small, change Windows Display scaling to 125% or 150% in Settings System Display. This enlarges ribbons and menus as well. Restart Outlook to ensure all changes apply, then save your settings as a custom view for quick reuse. If things go wrong, reset the view with View Reset View, or reopen Outlook in safe mode to diagnose problematic add-ins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.